So before I start this video, I just want to let you know I am not an expert. So this is not an expert opinion. This is I'm just showing you a product I purchased that I'm going to use. But before I start the video, I just want to make a note and add something before it starts. Honey?
Oh, just that my concern is that anytime you're plucking, you risk getting ingrown hairs, and since your nasal passages are very sensitive, you should always be careful and take precaution in doing so, because you can damage your nasal passages or develop an infection.
Thank you very much. So I'm just letting you know that before the start of the video. Enjoy now. Just got this in from Amazon, and I'm going to use it, but I'm not showing it on video. I'm just going to come back after I'm done and let you know if it actually does work. Usually I use a trimmer, you know, one of those electronic trimmers. So this is what I use, and it works okay, but sometimes the blade, you know, after a while it starts to get dull, and you have to clean it and take it apart when you're cleaning it, and it's hard to put back, and you don't even know if it's really working because you don't really see what it's cutting. I mean, I guess you can feel that there's no hair, but you can't see the hair, or I don't see it as, you know, I don't see it right in front of me to the point where I know I've gotten some hair removals. So I'm just speaking about nose hairs. Now, this, I like it because it actually will show you if it works or not. So this is in the back, the instructions. And again, I'm not showing you, sorry, I am not going to be a model for this video. So you put it in like this. So you push it together. I'll show you the product. I'll open it, push it together. You put it in the area that you want to remove the hair, and then you let go, and the spring at the end here clamps onto the hair, and then you pull on it. Now I'm gonna let it looks painful, and I'll let you know if it is painful. So let's open it up. It's TWEEZY nose and ear trimmer. You don't have to really worry about that for now. Nothing here. And this is it actually here. This is the actual product here. Let me give you a close-up look. And similar instructions. This is, yeah, everything inside. Yeah, same instructions that are on the outside. This is the product. It's tiny, small. So let's see how big it is. About 2 inches. And I was wrong. It doesn't, you don't pull on it and then put it in. You actually leave it open. As you can see, all the openings there, the little, let's give you a close-up look. The little notches here are gonna grab onto the hair. So you put it in to the area that you want to remove hair. And then when it's in there, then you press on it to grab onto the hair, then you pull it out. And I'll let you know if it works, and if it works well, and if it hurts, it probably will. One of the things about plucking is that then the hair takes longer to grow. Is that correct, honey?
Yes.
Yes, my wife confirmed that. Plucking hair, you know, if you can get as close as you can to the roots, the hair will grow. It'll take longer for the hair to grow than when you cut it. Pretty cool. All right, let me try it out. It's all metal. solid. This is the only plastic piece. I'm gonna get my friend, if this works, I'm gonna get a friend of mine this. He loves these things. He uses these things all the time. You know, these type of things. Not that he has a problem. He's just OCD about that. It works. It works. It is a little painful. You are plucking the hairs instead of trimming them, but it works. It works very well. It gets a lot of the area. Usually it takes 1 to 2 tries in one area, 1 to 2 times in one area, and then the hair's gone. It really works very well. Definite keeper. What's nice is tiny, and I could get rid of that large trimmer and just use this. It works really, really well. I like it a lot. It really does. Sorry I can't show it to you. I cleaned it very well before I put it back on the video. But it works. It removes a lot of the hair that you may have in that area. It works really, really well. So I hope you like the, oh, and it's very easy to clean. Very easy to clean, to blow away the whatever you pull out. Very easy to clean. Don't get underwater. It's stainless steel or whatever metal material it is, and you won't, you know, it's just really easy to clean. Really easy to clean. All right, so I hope you liked the video. Works excellent, no complaints. I love the product. We'll be actually purchasing it for someone I know. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Bye now.
The TWEEZY Nose Hair and Ear Hair Remover. Designed for hair removal in men and women. Compare with nose hair trimmers and waxing kits. Previously called the PLUck. 12-2022. Cost, $21.95. Purchased on Amazon. Complete hair removal, removes nose hair and ear hair from the root. Unlike trimming, this diminishes hair growth over time. Painless, unlike typical waxing and plucking, TWEEZY is virtually painless. Quick and easy, removes unwanted nose and ear hair fast. Quality craftsmanship, manufactured out of stainless steel. Guarantee, we offer a lifetime service, to fix or replace your TWEEZY free of charge. Product description. Nose hair ear hair TWEEZY PLUck tweezer removal wax waxing trimmer kit men grooming women. Why TWEEZY? Nose hair ear hair TWEEZY PLUck tweezer removal wax waxing trimmer kit men grooming women. Nose hair ear hair TWEEZY PLUck tweezer removal wax waxing trimmer kit men grooming women. Nose hair ear hair TWEEZY PLUck tweezer removal wax waxing trimmer kit men grooming women. Remove hair from the root. TWEEZY reduces hair growth over time because it removes hair right from the root. No more itchy nose hair. Take it anywhere. Put one in your car, your office desk, or your pocket. Be prepared to remove annoying nose hair anywhere. Lifetime durability. Made of surgical stainless steel and guaranteed to last a lifetime. No batteries required. Pull out unwanted hair in 3 easy steps. Nose hair trimmer remover ear hair remover trim wax waxing men tweezer PLUck wax kit C. Nose hair trimmer remover ear hair remover trim wax waxing men tweezer PLUck wax kit C. Nose hair trimmer remover ear hair remover trim wax waxing men tweezer PLUck wax kit C. Step 1. Simply insert the tip of the device into your nose. Push the tweezing coil against the skin where you would like to remove hair. Step 2. Squeeze the 2 blue handles together, closing the tweezing coil, and trapping the hair. There's nothing to do now but jerk those buggers out. Step 3. While still gripping the hair, swiftly pull. Now, look at all that hair. It's hard to believe how much there really is. That's okay, just a few more plucks and you will be completely hair-free. TWEEZY Nose Hair Removal. TWEEZY is a new kind of nose and ear hair remover. It is the best of both worlds. Unlike typical waxing and plucking, TWEEZY's unique mechanism makes it quick and virtually painless. Unlike trimming, it removes hair from the root, diminishing hair growth over time. Previously called the PLUck. New name, same great product. Made with quality stainless steel. The patented design is made to last. It is super simple and effective. Just insert the device into your nose next to the bothersome hairs, push the spring-loaded mechanism, and pull it out.